Are you ready to transform how you work with technology? Our Python Essentials for MLOps, DevOps, and AIOps course will unlock the secrets of streamlined development, intelligent automation, and efficient operations. As you progress in your learning journey, you'll be mastering the Python fundamentals, discover the file automation strategies, conquer the command lines with ease, and even deploy the infrastructure like a pro. And this curriculum has been carefully designed so that as a learner, you'll be learning everything in a hands-on manner. This will unlock your potential in building the practical tools, scripts, and the pipeline that will amaze your team. You'll be diving into the package management, Docker, CI/CD workflows, and even the AWS fundamentals that will make you to be confident in implementing everything over the cloud. So take your skills to the next level with in-demand expertise in MLOps, AIOps, and even you'll also get a bonus content on the monitoring the applications as well. So by the end of this course, you won't just use technology, you'll own it. So stop struggling, start excelling, and upgrade your career. My name is Murthy from Manifold AI Learning. I look forward to seeing you on the class 1.